How to create Go2bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today's video is based on how to create Go2bank account. So in order to create a Go2bank account, first of all you need to check your internet connection. After that, open up a web browser. You can use any web browser whichever is convenient for you, and then on the web address bar type in www.go2bank.com, and this is going to take you to the official web page of Go2bank. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So then to begin with, go ahead and tap on open an account in the upper right hand side corner. That it's going to verify whether you're a human or a robot. So click on get started. After that, you'll need to type in or enter in the email address for the registration purpose. And click on the continue button. So after you're done entering your email address, on step number 2, you'll be asked to type in your full name. That includes your first and last name. After that, you'll be asked to type in the phone number. And once you're done entering the phone number, you'll also be asked to verify it by entering the verification code. Once you're done with that, also you'll be asked to provide in your billing address or your home address. So make sure that you've entered the correct one. Once you've done that as well, you'll be asked to verify all the information that you've provided. And if you're sure about it, then click on the submit button and you've successfully registered for your Go2bank account. After that, you'll be taken to the home page, and where you'll be asked to select where you'll be asked to provide in more information about yourself or your account. So if you want to do it so, then click on continue, or if you don't want to do it so, then click on the skip button. And that is basically how you can create a Go2bank account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.